Yahoo may send you a verification code when you try to sign in, recover your account, or enable two-step verification. You'll need to access that code to continue the process. So in order to get your Yahoo Mail code during the sign-in or password reset, when you enter your email, Yahoo will ask where to send the code. You can choose text message or recovery email, and you'll receive a 6-digit code in your phone's SMS inbox or in your recovery email. And for two-step verification, if you've enabled two-step verification, Yahoo will send a code every time you log in. Check your phone's messages or use the Yahoo account key in the app. And if the Yahoo Mail app notification is enabled, you may also get verification code via push notification. Make sure that the recovery phone number and email are up to date in the Yahoo account settings so that you can always receive your codes. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.